Commercial Pressure Wash Long Island. At Pressure Wash Long Island, we're passionate about delivering an exceptional exterior cleaning experience for your Long Island business or commercial property. We'll always treat your business with courtesy, professionalism, and respect. That's our reputation, and we strive to take it to the highest level. When you're looking for commercial pressure washing on Long Island, there's only one name you need to know. Pressure Wash Long Island is committed to providing you with quality results and complete satisfaction whatever you need taking care of. Sidewalk cleaning. Keep your sidewalks clear of dangerous trip hazards like algae, moss, and decaying organic material when you call in the sidewalk cleaning pros at Pressure Wash Long Island. Whether your sidewalks are concrete, flagstone, pavers, or composite material, we'll keep them looking fresh and safely navigable. Storefront cleaning. Give your storefront a fresh appeal when you call in the commercial pressure washing specialists at Pressure Wash Long Island. Our storefront cleaning services include window cleaning, exterior building washing, entryway cleaning, and parking lot cleaning can enhance the look of your Long Island storefront. Playground cleaning. In these challenging times, it's vital to strike a balance between healthy living and maintaining a healthy environment. By utilizing environmentally safe cleaning products that are safe for people, pets, and plants, we'll help you keep our smallest citizens healthy and happy with Pressure Wash Long Island's professional playground cleaning services. Tennis court cleaning. If you're hearing a lot of rackets because your tennis courts are looking grimy and lackluster, our tennis court cleaning services are your ace in the hole. Pressure Wash Long Island utilizes top-of-the-line pressure washing equipment for top-quality results every time. If you are looking for the most dependable house washing and pressure washing on Long Island, then please contact Pressure Wash Long Island today. Call us now or visit our website.